Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is gyrru, which means drive. Gyrru, as in gyrru trywodd, drive through. Gyrru, drive.